What's up everybody, Zay Zoo back with another video, and in today's video we're going to Repticon Tampa. I'm super excited guys. We're going to be picking up a new animal in today's video. If you guys haven't seen any of my previous videos where I've talked about it, then you guys probably aren't sure what we're getting. I'll give you guys a little bit of a hint. This is the enclosure right back here. I usually only get to go to Repticon on Sundays because I have work on Saturdays, but since I knew I was getting a reptile today, I asked could I go into work a couple hours late so that I'll be able to come on opening day and get my top pick of what reptile I would like to have. So we're gonna go ahead, get in the car, probably stop for some coffee, get a little breakfast, things like that, and then we're gonna get the Repticon. We just made it inside the reptile show. Let's go ahead and have a look around. The other one we just got. Lily white. Phantom red. We just came outside the reptile show. We're done shopping. And as always in my crazy life, I went inside to get one crested gecko. And out of nowhere, the guy says, "Hey, do you want this other one for free?" So there we have it, guys. I can't wait to get these guys home and get them set up. First, unfortunately, I do have to go to work. All right, guys, I'm finally home from work. It's time to go over everything we got today, starting with our new additions right here, guys. This is our lily white crested gecko. And the guy also gave us this one for free. Not the guy, his name was Javier. Shout out Javier. This one is a Phantom. Definitely. Shout out Javier. This is who we got him from. Now let's go over everything else we picked up at today's show. First, we got this ceramic heat emitter, which we'll be using to set up our new crested geckos. Second, we also got something else for our crested geckos. These little suction cup food bowls. Next, we paid $10 for a SoFlo Reptiles t-shirt. I've seen them on like Instagram and YouTube, so I thought it was a really cool design. So I'm happy to support. Next, we got 50 mini mealworms. This is for feeding our tarantula sling. I'll put that in at the end of the video if they decide they want to eat. Next, for free, we got this super cool Zoom Ed lanyard. I'll definitely be using this. Next, we got, how many crickets? 50 medium crickets. Picked up 50 medium crickets to feed my guy, Frank the Tank, Frank the Frog. Y'all know who that is. Oh yeah, and we got some things from the park. I ain't gonna lie. I seen they had them. They had these same items for sale at the reptile show, but the prices was ridiculous. So I went ahead and saved myself like $30. And I just went ahead and found me some cork bark, which is gonna enhance our crested gecko setup. And I also found me some nice little sticks. So with that being said, that is everything that we picked up today. Now it's time to go ahead and get our crested geckos into their new setup. Right here we have our enclosure that we're going to be setting up our crested geckos in. If you guys are wondering, this is a 17 by 30 by 12, which is definitely enough space for 2 juvenile or still pretty young crested geckos. Down here on the floor, we have all of our supplies that we're going to be using to construct our enclosure. This is everything that we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and get this put together. All right, guys, it took me about 10 minutes to get everything set up. But here's how it's looking. I'm really happy with how it turned out. We got everything we need. We got our feeding dishes. We have our water dish. We have plenty of climbing branches for enrichment. We have our basking area with our... Did I put it in? Oh, no, I didn't. We got our ceramic heat emitter right here. But my house stays pretty warm. I can show you guys. 7 degrees, 78 degrees right there right now. And this isn't a heat bulb, so that's not really emitting any heat. So it's already at a pretty good temperature for them, but I will have the heat emitter on this side just in case I need to turn that on. We have plenty of hides, places for them to hide in. We got our cork, I keep calling it cork bark. It's just our regular bark. We have our bark pieces right here, 2, 3. We got about 4 different pieces of bark for them to hide behind. We have our plants for nice coverage. Like I said, we have our water dish. I think this setup came out really good. Looks really nice. It's time to see what our crested geckos think of it. It's time to release them into the enclosure. I had them here for a second. They haven't really crawled out. Oh, here goes Buddy, making his way out. Come on, other guy. Come on. The lily white is very active. I gotta come up with names for. Oh, sorry. Hopefully he's okay. There we go. Our lily white has been active. It's been active all day inside of the little deli cup. Look at him drinking up some water. What's up, little man? Super happy about these guys. The colors on them, cool. And they're nice and active. Super stoked, guys. Do y'all keep crested geckos? If y'all do, what's y'all's favorite color morph? Drop down in the comments. It's the next day. Our crested geckos are settled in and happy inside of their new enclosure. Like I said, I'm really happy with how the enclosure came out. I really think that the crested geckos are enjoying it. They're somewhere in there sleeping. I checked on them earlier to make sure that they were all right, but they found their spots in the leaves and they're in there chilling. You know, they're nocturnal animals, so they're not going to come out until nighttime. I do have to run to the stores pretty soon and go get some rapashi so that I can fill up their food dish right here. Besides that, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the reptile show, and I hope y'all enjoyed seeing us pick up our new addition. Well, our 2 new additions, actually. I was only planning on getting 1, but we ended up getting 2. So it was a crazy turnout for today's video, guys. It's not what I expected, but that's how things turned out, and I couldn't be happier. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We are going to be adding more reptiles to our collection, and we're also going to be doing other projects on the channel. So make sure you guys definitely stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and comment down below which reptile was your favorite that we seen at today's expo. Until next time, guys, Zezu, this is what we do. Peace.